Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Hey everybody, it's week 2 of the warehouse sale. Week 2, today is Monday, so that means I'm gonna bring you new manufacturers being added to the warehouse sale, more products being added to the warehouse sale at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, and sometimes more. This is an event unlike anywhere else. It is an amazing event where you can parlay $20, $30, $15, literally into hundreds of dollars. But to bring you things at 50 cents, 75 cents, that should be $20, well, there's some terms and conditions we ask that you agree to. And so there's a video for you to watch right on the Scrapbooking Made Simple site. When you go visit scrapbookingmadesimple.com and you go look at the warehouse sale and all the products we've added, right there at the very top, there's a video of the terms and conditions. And we just ask you to watch that so that you know what you're getting into before you hit that submit button. Because once you hit the submit button, no cancellations, nope, no returns, nope, it's all yours. But what an event it has been so far. And it makes my heart happy to hear that those of you in week 1 have already started to receive your orders. There's one person who pulls the orders. Michael H. is the guy, and so he's doing his best to keep up and get them out to you as quickly as possible. And then one person QCs them, and then they get shipped out. So, and there was a question, can you hold orders? No, we can't hold orders. So if you place an order in week 1 and you want to place an order in week 2, 3, and 4 and you want them held together, I'm sorry, we can't do that. The orders come in, the orders go out. We don't, it's too hard for us to put all of your orders together to remember to do that. So as they come in, we fill them and then they go out. And with 5 Mondays, and this is just week 2, just imagine all the good stuff I have for you. It's a reason to come back and check out the sale every Monday. But of course, patience will be necessary because that's the busiest time of the event. Every Monday when the new stuff is added is when the site goes a little, ooh. So have patience, because if I only have one of these and 10 of you put it into your shopping cart, it will be the first person who checks out. Just because you've added it to your shopping cart does not mean that it's allocated to your order. You actually have to check out. And once you do that, then the product is allocated. But again, watch the terms and conditions because I do my best to explain everything there. And then go save big time, because this is the way we give back to you, and this is the way we try to help keep crafting affordable, and this is the way you can add some beautiful things to your crafty stash without breaking the bank. In fact, you might not even have to bust the piggy bank open for this. That's how good the deals are. So today I'm just going to be quick about it because SMS girl Elena, who is my cohort, we work together, she's out for her birthday, so I'm the one loading all the product to the site right now. So I might not be on the live chat yet because I'm still loading all of the items to the Scrapbooking Made Simple warehouse sale site. And what's really nice is that you can either shop by price. I mean, you can go page by page, but you can shop by price, like under $2, under $5, under $10, or you can shop by week. Week 1 offerings, this time you'll see week 2 there. So if you've already been through week 1 a half a dozen times and you think you've got everything you need from week 1, you could just click the subcategory week 2 and see everything that I'm gonna have for you today. And what is in front of me is a very small sampling of what each manufacturer has to offer. So I'm going to tilt down, I'm going to get started. We're going to keep this quick and simple, and that way I'm not tying up too much of your time and you can go shop away, but I do have a lot to show. So let's tilt on down. Scrapbookingmadesimple.com is where you find the warehouse sale. There will be a link. There's a link in the YouTube. I will try to remember to put a link on the top of the chat. Let's just start with Stamperia, because Stamperia is, well, you know, yeah, I'm gonna try and grab it. Stamperia is one of the manufacturers being added for this week. And we've got everything from die cuts, their chipboard die cuts, to their decorative chippies. These are like the little balsa wood chips that are laser cut out, to mixed media stamps, beautiful rubber stamps, to clear stamps. And again, small sample of what we have. Small sample of what we have. Everything at 56, I think Stamperia is either 50 or 60% off. All Stamperia. Oodles of paper. Here we have Alice and Circle of Love. Look at the little puppies. Really cute for spring. And the Journal Romantic Collection. This is beautiful. And Voyage Fantastique. And this, again, this is just a small sample. Here's Lady Vagabond. We have different rub-ons for you. We have different stencils for you. Lots of different stencils. We've got their collectibles, 10 double-face sheets. So they're collectibles packs from Stamperia. We have their chipboard. Oh, look at the kitties. We have their chipboard stickers. All on sale for you. Clear prints. So I believe these are acetate. 6 pieces. Yes, acetate. So printed acetate. And there's 6 different designs in here. We have their gray board for you on sale. More stencils, A4 in size. Oh, I gotta grab 2 of the same. A4 in size. And we, of course, have rice paper. So tons from Stamperia. And again, this is a very, very small sampling of what we have from Stamperia. But enjoy while you can. Whatever doesn't sell out this week carries into week 3, 4, 5. The last day of the warehouse sale is the first Monday in January, and I think it's January, maybe January 3rd or January 5th. I can't remember. Next, Tonic Studios. How about 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off? Tonic Studios. How about Holy Smokes Artichokes Value with the little butterfly? Great dies. If you are new to die, lots of these are going to go through your Sidekick machine. If you are in love with die cutting, or if you're a new die cutter, this is a great way to add to your collection without breaking the bank. A great way to add. So you've got your guy and your girl. Love all the little frames and all the little embellishments at such an incredible price. Some we have 1 of, some we have 5 of, some we have 10 of, some we might have 25 of. Look at the cute little Christmas boot. Gosh, isn't that adorable for next year? Darling, right? And look at the package. This can be any time. Look at the gift. And the beautiful roses. Oh my gosh. Tons of Tonic Studios for you. You cannot go wrong with any of these. I'm still going through them. Amazing values. All different types of shapes. Photo corners. Corners for your layouts. Ooh, the next corners are really pretty. Aren't those beautiful? We've got stamps. We've got larger dies. Look at the butterflies on here. Border dies. More border dies. Congratulations. Slimline dies. We even go, oh, some stencils. And we even go as big. Wow. You get everything in here. This has 20 dies, corner dies and frame dies, and I mean, this is massive. So, Tonic Studios, tons for you to choose from. Oodles and oodles and oodles of Tonic for you to select from, all at up to 90% off. Then we move into Versus. And Versus, when she asked, isn't that a lot of money to pay for shoes? I knew we could never be friends. Normal is a setting on a hair dryer. I've never been a millionaire, but I know I'd just be darling at it. Does extra fat on my body... Wait a minute. Dear extra fat on my body, find your way... No, I can't say that. Okay, that one I can't say on camera. I'm listening to the voices in my head, and I've come to realize they're having more fun than me. I'm going to join them and have a few drinks. Let's see, and then we've got some of our Versus clear stamps with all the sentiments in them. You make me laugh even when I don't want to smile. I would find you in any lifetime. So these were done exclusively for Scrapbooking Made Simple. You're something magical. Tons of Versus stamps for you. Not a lot of quantity of anything in the Versus. When they're gone, they're gone. Greatest glory is not in Greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Okay. That took my brain a moment to wrap around. So Versus on sale for you. We have a smattering, and I do mean just a smattering of visible image. Just a little bit, but again, on sale for you. This has daughter definition, this has sister definition. I have butterflies, I have snails, celebrating birthday, beautiful visible image, but just a smattering. We've got the sun definitions, father, sunflowers, and a few of their stencils. Not a whole lot of visible image, but it's out there for you. Then we have Ultimate Crafts and Couture Creations. And we made these, I made everything in Ultimate Crafts and Couture Creations 50 cents. So this is a foil plate, but you can ink it up and use it as a stamp, as a better press type plate. We've got dies. I think we made it all 50 cents. Foil, but again, ink it up and use it as a better press. Why not? Absolutely. I believe they are all down to 50 cents. Even if you don't know somebody getting engaged, to have something that says you're engaged in your stash just for 50 cents when you need it, why not? We've got embossing folders. So Ultimate Crafts and Couture Creations. We did different, they're two different companies, they're under two different brands, but we did them all at, I believe, 50 cents off, or 50 cents. Look at how cute is this? 50 cents, it's gotta go. Manufacturers say it's got to go, so it's got to go. We hear you. This is a foil and die cut at the same time, but again, ink it up. You've got a foil, so go through your glimmer machine without any question. Got some beautiful little dies. And when they're ready to go for 50 cents, if you want to add some to your collection, you've got a glimmer machine or a Go Press and foil. Happiness. Like I said, ink it up. Use it as a better press. You are lovely. All 50 cents. Time for them to go. The last thing I have for you is Sizzix. So we have got some Sizzix storage. We've got some Sizzix tools. We've got things like Sizzix scoreboards from Eileen Hull. We've got a lot of my stuff in there. 50, 60, 70, 80% off. Tim Holtz on sale. We've got more storage. You've got the little storage envelopes in there. We've got sentiment dies. We've got their aluminum metal sheets, probably in all 3 colors. We've got my stencils. We've got their stamp sets. Some of my larger stamps. My stencils, my stamp and stencil. How about their rotating stencils? Where you do this, and then you do this, and then you do this. One stencil. We've got a stamp and die combo. And this is just a very small portion of what I've got for you. How about their Shrinky Dink film? We've got that for you. Look at how cute is this. Goes through your Big Shot machine. Darling, right? We've got plus dies for you. So, tons from Sizzix. Tons from Sizzix on sale. So your offering this week is Stamperia, Tonic Studios versus Visible Image, Ultimate Crafts, Couture Creations, Sizzix. Anywhere from 50 to 90% off while supplies last. And of course you can look at what we had in week 1 that's still available and add that into your order as well. Just watch the terms and conditions video because week 1 has not been we haven't fully pulled all the orders yet. Probably another week and a half before we can move to week 2. And then week 2 orders are going to be bigger than week 1 because now people are shopping week 1 and week 2. So it'll take us longer to get through those. And then week 3, I'm going to be bringing you next Monday even more manufacturers, more goodies at up to 90% off. But those orders are then going to get even longer because now people can shop from what's left on week 1, what's left on week 2, and the new stuff in week 3. And we have 5 Mondays. So enjoy the warehouse sale. Have a great time. Save way, way more than you are going to spend. And I will be back tomorrow for our In the Studio with Stacy class where we take fine art and paper crafting, we mix them together and we make magic happen. We will be live chatting during that premiere, 6 p.m. Sunny California time, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. Until then, everybody, it's me, Stacy. Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, home of the best crafting warehouse sale, hands down, you will ever find. All right, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.